Hey y'all, it's your girl Nida and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have got something a little different than what I normally do. Well, of course, yeah, it's different, duh. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys how I dermaplane my face at home, which is basically just shaving your face. Now, usually I use these like eyebrow razors, these straight ones here. I bought this pack from Marshall's for $4.99. I switch these out very often because I use them for dermaplaning. I've used them to clean up my eyebrows. And I found at TJ Maxx a pack of the Flawless, which is a finishing touch Flawless Dermaplane razors, and it's a 4-pack, and I believe they come and you get 2 larger ones and 2 smaller ones for the smaller areas of your face. So it says it removes peach fuzz, exfoliates and removes and smooths, and it's made of Japanese stainless steel. So yeah, going to show you guys how I do this at home. Now, you do have to be careful because this is a razor. These are razors and you are shaving your face. So you do have to be careful, and you do have to make sure that you are not just dragging this razor up your face like carelessly. The benefits of dermaplaning are it exfoliates and removes hair, smooths the appearance of fine lines, and improves the application of makeup and topical creams, which is true. I've seen a much smoother appearance in my makeup since I started dermaplaning. I mean, my makeup application by this point is pretty smooth, but it is nice to know that you don't have the little peach fuzz that just really impedes your makeup from going on like super smooth just on your face. People have been shaving their face, like women, men, whatever, well, women specifically. Women have been shaving their face for years. Like, this is not a new thing. I think there's a YouTuber, her name is B Marie, and she uses like shaving cream and a razor to shave her face, which I always thought was kind of funny. So yeah, like, you don't have to be super fancy. I mean, I have never tried using shaving cream and a regular razor, like a men's razor, to shave my face. So I cannot sit here and say I co-sign that or that I know for a fact that that works, but I do know that this works because I have used it for myself. Okay, now you want to do this on clean skin. So I've already washed my face, and then afterwards I like to wash my face again, just to get all like the loose hair and whatever off and things like that. And I wash and I moisturize. After you dermaplane, you should not put on any makeup for at least a few hours. Not a few hours, I'm sorry, for at least 24 hours. I have made the mistake of dermaplaning and then putting on makeup. Nothing bad happened, but I then learned that you're not supposed to do that, so I will not do that. This is what this one looks like. Cute. And it comes with a little plastic cover. These ones that come in this, they fold down into themselves to protect the blade. Do not leave your blade just sitting out in the open and around, getting exposed to everything. That is not sanitary. So I'm just gonna pull back my hair so it'll be out of the way. I'm just gonna clip it up and out of the way. And I'm zooming you guys in so we can get started. So I haven't put anything lotion or anything like that on my face, so my nose is a little dry. I have got a small breakout going down here, which is just one bump. And then I got this breakout over here, which was a lot smaller, but I started picking at my face because I'm a lunatic, clearly. So what you want to do is you want to pull your skin taut, and then you want, start down here, you want to pull your skin taut, and then you want to just shave in an upward motion in small strokes. And I don't have a lot coming off right now, especially in the major area of my face, because I dermaplaned maybe about a month or 2 ago, and the hair on my face doesn't grow back very quickly. That's what I've gotten off my face so far. that's how much has come off my face in total. That's it. That's everything off my face. It feels, my face feels so smooth. So smooth. Sometimes you do kind of nick yourself like a little bit. So I am feeling like a tiny bit of burning right here. Burning and itching right here. And that's the only place, just right here. But anytime I do like I clean up around my eyebrows with like, just to, you know, do my eyebrows, I always get a little bit of burning like right here. I don't know why. It always like burns and itches right there. But yeah, I did all in like here. I got around by like my eyelids, which this is the first time I've been able to do that. I think my camera stopped recording when I got up to around here. But this little small one actually made that a lot easier to just kind of get in here. And there was a lot that came off around here, like right under here and around here. And I was like so surprised. So, I wonder if like my primer and eyeshadows will go on smoother in this area now. But that is it. I'll leave a link below to both razors so that way you guys can check them out and possibly dermaplane your face at home. You can also go get this done as a service from an esthetician. I am not an esthetician, but I have I watched a bunch of YouTube videos on how to do this at home and was able to do so. And it leaves your skin feeling smoother and brighter. So I'm going to wash my face to get any of the like loose like peach fuzz off. And I'm going to moisturize and I'm going to leave it alone. We'll leave my face alone for the rest of the day. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to click the bell down below so that way you can always be notified whenever I upload. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.